Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin and with me is my amazing son, Dr. Jared Shatkin. Jared, over the years, I've somehow gotten the nickname of the king of mini dental implants.
Oh yeah?
And you've adopted the nickname of the prince of mini dental implants.
Sure, yeah. I think that's what people call me, yeah.
That's pretty funny. Well, you're the next generation at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. and you're the next generation in our Shatkin family. But with that being said, I want to introduce you to the next generation of Roundhouse Restorations at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. You're familiar with what we've used over the years, a Xantex framework for our roundhouses, where we use a Xantex frame and put Emax and zirconia crowns on top of that Xantex frame, and that can be attached with housings, it can be attached with healing caps, it can be attached with O-caps, and it can even be cemented onto the restorations. But we've discovered and developed the next generation in the Roundhouse Restorations, and we're calling it TruForce, the TruForce framework. TruForce is the strongest material available, made out of fiber-reinforced PEEK resin material. It's a combination of PEEK and fiber-reinforced resin. It makes it incredibly strong, incredibly lightweight, and also very versatile because we can use it as a base for a cemented restoration on top of minis or monos. It can be used as a base for a detachable restoration, such as the Fix-on-6 restorations, where they attach with O-ring housings, O-caps, or healing caps. It's amazing. It's an amazing product and you're gonna love it. And the best part about it is it fits into our one price, one piece system. So you're gonna have savings on the product, but you're also gonna have a great result. We're still putting Emax or zirconia restorations on top of the framework, the TruForce framework. And it's got some forgiveness built into it, so it's not like zirconia restoration that puts so much stress on the implants every time a patient chews. This fiber-reinforced resin PEEK material allows some cushion and some flexibility to prevent undue stress on the implants. So you're going to love this product as much as I do. I've used it for many, many restorations already, and it's phenomenal. So don't forget to join us next time on the Monday Morning Minute. And don't forget to try our new TruForce Roundhouse Restorations.
All right.
We'll see you next time on the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. Monday Morning Minute.
May the force be with you.
All right. May the force be with you.